11 display looking dull, washed out or not color accurate? Whether you are editing videos, watching movies or just want better screen quality, proper display color calibration can make a huge difference. In this video, I will show you the easiest and built-in way to calibrate your display colors in Windows 11. No third-party software required and it works perfectly for laptops and desktop monitors. So let's get started. First, right-click on the Start icon and click on Settings. Now, from the left side, click on System and then select Display. Now scroll down a little and under Related Settings, click on Advanced Display. Once you are here, you will see your display information. I am currently using desktop mode, so we don't need to change anything here. Now click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. If you are using more than one monitor, you will see multiple options here. Just select the display you want to calibrate. In the new window, go to the Color Management tab and click on Color Management again. Now switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you will find the option Calibrate Display. Click on it. The calibration window will open. I will maximize it so everything is clearly visible. This tool helps improve your screen color accuracy and visual quality. Click on Next. You can read the instructions. They simply explain what you will be adjusting. Click on Next again. Here you will see examples of gamma too low, good gamma and gamma too high. The goal is simple. If you don't see small dots inside the circles, that means the gamma is set correctly. Click on Next. Now use the slider and move it slowly until the small dots inside the circles are barely visible or not visible at all. Adjust it according to your display. For me, these settings looks perfect. Once done, click Next. Click on Next again. Now comes brightness adjustment. You will see examples of too dark, good brightness and too bright. You will notice small crosses in the image. Using your laptop or monitor brightness control, adjust the brightness so the image looks balanced and the crosses are visible but not overpowering. Once satisfied, click Next. Next is contrast adjustment. Contrast controls the clarity of highlights and details on your screen. So follow the on-screen instructions and adjust contrast using your monitor or laptop controls. Once done, click Next. Now we move to color balance. This step determines how natural gray shades appear on your display, whether they look too red, too green or too blue. Click Next. Now adjust the red, green and blue slider to remove any color tint from the gray bars. Note: make changes slowly and watch the screen carefully. Once you are happy with the result, click Next. Finally, you will see the option to start ClearType Tuner. Now make sure the checkbox is enabled and then click Next. Click on Next again. Now you will be shown different text samples. Simply select the text that looks the clearest and most comfortable to your eyes. Click Next after each selection. You will choose a total of 5 text samples. And once that's done, the setup is complete. Now click on Finish. And that's it. Your monitor display color is now properly calibrated in Windows 11. giving you better colors, sharper text, and improved overall visual quality. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.